What is up, Hollywood stars? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I will be showing you this beautiful pastel, beautiful look. Oh my god, so pretty. I love the way it came out. By the way, we did use the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette and some other oldie but goodies. So definitely stay tuned if you want to know how to achieve this makeup look. And as always, don't forget to shine bright because it's slow Hollywood time. Okay guys, so today we are going to be playing with the Jawbreaker palette with this baby from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I love this palette so much. So we're going to be playing with this today, and we're going to be doing something kind of like ethereal, very pastel-y looking, like fairy looking. So stay tuned. So yeah, let me send you guys in and we'll jump right into this tutorial. Alright, so we are up close and personal. I do have foundation on, bronzer, brows, and I did concealer as my base. I love doing that lately. My nose looks super snatched, by the way, so little side note. So I'm taking my favorite M411 brush, and we're gonna dig right into this Brain Freeze shade, which is this beautiful baby blue. And we're just gonna start to pop this right here in this inner portion of the crease, and I'm just going in with circular motions and working the product in. Okay, so next we're gonna go ahead and jump into this Gumdrop shade. So this one's a beautiful purple lilac shade, and we're just gonna pop this right next to that blue shade. Next, I do want to add something to the inner corner, so we're gonna go in with this Snack shade with beautiful iridescent baby pink. And we're just gonna pop that right in there. So beautiful. Next, we're gonna take this Bubblegum shade. It's beautiful pink shade, and this one I'm gonna be placing it right into this outer portion of the lid and the crease. Okay, so now we're going to be using some of these Stila Magnificent glitters. So this is what they look like. I got these like in a pack of 3 like last holiday or maybe like 2 holidays ago, but they're running out. But I do want to get some this winter because these are bomb. So these are the Smoky Storm and the Diamond Dust ones. Oh, sorry, not Magnificent Glow. These are the Glitter and Glow. So these are the Stila ones. So first I'm going to go in with Smoky Storm, and I'm going to just kind of work this right in here into the lid and kind of start doing like a cut crease with this. So I'm just like painting it on. And then when you get kind of towards the end, just kind of sparingly start to add it so it doesn't look so harsh afterwards. Just let that dry for a moment. Okay, so while that dries, I'm going to add a little bit more of this Jawbreaker shade. This one is like a mix between a white and like an icy blue shade. But I'm going to be adding this to the brow bone. That way it's a little bit highlighted. Okay, so for the lower lash line, let's see, what should we do today? I think I'm going to do white. So this is the Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk by NYX. do this pink shade, and we're just gonna add this to the lower lash line. I am taking the purple shade and I'm just gonna tight line the lash line, the lower one. Okay, so for blush, I'm gonna do this Kylie Pink Power blush. For my nose highlight, you already know we're using the Anastasia Times Amrezy highlight. And I feel like I've been using this highlight like for the past couple looks, but I really feel like this one will go really good with this look. So again, this is the NYX Duo Chromatic Highlight in Lavender Steel. Beautiful. This is like what makes the look magical and so pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna finish my makeup off camera and I will be right back to show you the finishing touches. Alright you guys, so this is the finished look. So I went ahead and I just added some mascara to my lower and my top lashes. And for lips, we did this beautiful pink lip using Soar Lip Liner by MAC. And we did the Pattern Polish in Kittenish by MAC as well. So this is what the final look came out to. I really love it. It's so like girly and pastel-y. So I feel like you can definitely do this look for multiple Halloween looks too, like a fairy or Barbie or like a, what else? I don't know, like a cotton candy goddess, Candyland goddess. So let me know if you guys want to try out this look. So that concludes this video, Hollywood stars. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye!